Do you get how powerful mystery can be? Some men have a mysterious vibe and it really attracts women. They can't resist it because the mystery is so strong. But many guys don't understand this at all. Nowadays, guys talk too much and act foolishly. A lot of them think being mysterious is weird because they don't get it. They think it means hiding in a dark corner and being socially awkward. But here's the truth: if you learn how to be mysterious, you'll stand out in any situation and women will be interested. But if you try too hard, you'll just look silly. The key is to be mysterious in the right way. Let's talk about 7 ways to do that. Number 1, disappear. A big mistake folks often make is they always want everyone to see them, always asking for attention and approval from others. It's sad, and folks might think you have no life. Most mysterious folks are really clever and bright individuals. They don't easily let everyone into their life and are okay being by themselves. Sometimes they might vanish for a bit without telling anyone. It'll make people wonder what you've been doing. Now, when I say disappear, don't get it wrong. I'm not saying you should vanish and start doing pointless stuff. You can make some of your best moves in secret. You'll be able to work on your goals without anyone knowing what you're up to. And when you come back, people will notice something's changed about you. Many people can't vanish because they just can't handle being alone. Look, the best folks know how to keep things to themselves without ever feeling lonely. They know there's strength in being by yourself, while there's weakness in being lonely. But let's save that topic for another time. Number 2, keep secrets. Don't tell everything you know. Only a silly person spills all the beans all the time. The best folks don't blabber on without thinking. They consider what they say. When they do share something, it's on purpose. This makes them mysterious to others. It's easy, don't reveal everything about yourself. Just share a bit and let them wonder about the rest. Number 3, charismatic vibe. Mysterious guys often have a lot of charisma vibe. That means they naturally attract people and make them like them. A big part of it is how they talk. Charismatic people know how to use their voice to win others over. They change the tone of their voice and pause at the right times to make things interesting and exciting. To have more charisma, you need to work on your voice and how you use it in social situations. It's something I've worked on myself, and let me tell you, it's really powerful. There are many other things you can do to boost your charisma. I'll make more videos about it in the future. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them. Number 4, unpredictable and hard to read. Mysterious guys are really hard to figure out, and it's impossible to know what they're thinking. That's what makes them so interesting and thrilling for women. But it's not just about getting attention from women. The most famous people in the world are the ones who did things nobody expected. You see, when people talk to you, they usually have an idea of where the conversation is going. If they ask you something, they think they know how you'll answer. This could be based on how well they know you, what they expect from you, or just stereotypes. And when you act or speak the way they expect, they easily dismiss you. They do it without even thinking because they're used to it. But if you're unpredictable, they're thrown off. They don't know what to expect, so they have to really think about it. Now, being unpredictable doesn't mean you're trying to confuse people about who you are. It doesn't mean you have conflicting beliefs or values, and it certainly doesn't mean you're chaotic or unreliable. A mysterious guy is very deliberate and knows exactly what he's doing. Number 5, don't. Sometimes guys act like they don't care at all, like they have no feelings. But the truth is, we're all human, and we all feel things. A mysterious guy doesn't show his emotions if they can be used against him. When you don't react to silly stuff, it bothers people because they can't control you or your feelings anymore. Just remember, there are only a few things in life that really matter, so don't get worked up over small stuff. Number 6, observe like an eagle. Here's a saying: a parrot talks too much but can't fly high, but an eagle is silent and can touch the sky. It's true. The quietest guy in the room, who's watching everything, is often the smartest and strongest. Meanwhile, the loudest one is usually the weakest. We've talked about keeping things to yourself, but you also need to pay attention. Only when you watch everything can you understand other people. So learn to sit back and observe. Not everything needs a response. Train yourself to notice what's happening around you. This not only makes you mysterious to others, but it also helps you a lot because you'll be aware of everything around you. Number 7, calmness. A man who stays calm when things get tough is a powerful man. If you can stay calm while others are freaking out or getting emotional, you'll have an aura of mystery that people can't quite figure out but are drawn to. They'll wonder how you can stay so collected while everyone else is losing it. Women admire a man who stays completely calm in tough situations. They can't help but be attracted to that. Train yourself to be calm and composed no matter what's going on. There's no benefit to running around in a panic. The next time things get tough, think of it as a test. It's a challenge you have to face with calmness and solve to move forward. Remind yourself that if you start getting emotional or stressing out, you're failing the test. And always remember that the obstacle in your way is just a step on your journey. Oh, and if you want to improve your life, don't forget to show some support by liking and subscribing. See you next time.